Hello everyone, welcome to CMS Digital Classrooms. Today we are going to learn about the next chapter of your class, which is algebraic expressions. So in your previous classes also you have learned about algebraic expressions. So there you have done something, few additions, subtractions, etc. But in this class or in this chapter we will learn further and like multiplication and divisions of algebraic expressions. Okay, so starting with some terms related to algebraic expressions, right? First, please understand some basic terms related to the algebraic expressions, right? So starting with the two terms which is called constant and variable. So constant and variables are the two things which you can see in an algebraic expressions except the operations, right? एक तो operations होता है addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, basic operations देगा. उसके अलावा आपको दो चीज देखने मिलेगा, वो होगा constant और variables. ओके, एक तो होता है constant जिसमें कुछ कांस्टेंट में ही टर्म में ही समझ में आ रहा है कि दिस विल बी कांस्टेंट फॉर ऑल, आई मीन दिस विल नेवर चेंज, दैट विल बी फिक्स्ड वैल्यू. ओके, एंड वेरिएबल्स मे बी चेंज. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी आर टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कांस्टेंट. वन इज कांस्टेंट, अनदर इज वेरिएबल. ओके, so first one is constant, another one is variable. So constant is the term or the things or the numbers which never change. Okay, and variables is the number which may change. For example, we know the parameter of a square. Suppose I am asking what is the formula or how we can find out the parameter of a square. Then we know that the parameter of a square is equal to 4 into sine. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी स्क्वायर हो उसके केस में 4 जो है this is constant. Okay, and side may be changed. So it is depend upon the shape and length of length and breadth of the square. तो स्क्वायर का साइज के ऊपर ये डिपेंड करता है साइड्स, but 4 will never change. 4 will be constant. So here 4 is the constant terms and P and S, these two are variables. Understood? For example, we know the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi into radius. This is the circumference of a circle and this is the radius, and these two values 2 into pi, these are fixed, these are not changed. So these two value will be constant and here the variable will be C and R. So C and R may be changed. So very simply thing we can say कि in a particular equation or in a particular number and with equations, so when any particular value that is constant, that is not changed, so that is called constant value, and that change with the numbers, that is called variables. So now what is algebraic expression? So algebraic expressions we can define as the combinations of constant and variables. एक algebraic expression जो होता है वो combinations होता है किसका? Variables का और constant का. Constant और variables मिला के एक जो है algebraic expressions बनता है, and which is connected with some basic operations. Some basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So either some of the basic operations are used or maybe all the operations are used. Okay, so with the help of these all basic operations, when variables and constant and variables are connected, that is called an algebraic expression. Okay, now terms of an algebraic expressions. what are called terms of an algebraic expression. Show the different parts of an algebraic expression. Suppose one algebraic expression is given with some operations, some basic operations, addition, multiplication, division, subtractions. Show when you separate those all. Okay, when you separate those all single numbers or terms are called terms of a algebraic expression. So for example, you can understand through the example properly. Suppose I am taking one example, 5 minus 3x plus 4x square y. So this is one algebraic expression given. So which are the terms of this algebraic expression? Then we can say the terms of these algebraic expressions are the terms of this algebraic expression are 5, 3x, 4x square y. तो आप देख सकते हो, see this one is in terms, this one is in terms, and this one is also in terms. So एक्सेप्ट दिस साइन को हटा के ये सारे जो नंबर्स होगा, ये सारे जो होगा ये टर्म्स होगा किसका, ऑफ दिस algebraic expressions. तो ये algebraic expression का टर्म्स ये होगा. You can take one more example. For example, 7x square minus 5xy plus y square z plus or minus suppose 9. So this is the number. So here you can see there are 1, 2, 3 terms. But here how many terms are here? 4 terms. One 7x square, another 5xy, another y square z, and another 9. Okay. So these are the terms of this algebraic expression. One more thing, we have to take care about the sign also. Here we have taken only 5, that means positive 5. Here this is minus 3x. Here this is plus, so no need to write. Here, if I am talking about this, then the terms of these algebraic expressions will be, algebraic expressions will be 7x square, then this is minus 5xy. You have to take the sign also. So minus 5xy. Plus here this is plus, so plus we don't need to write. So comma this is y square z and minus 9. So you should not forget about the sign also, especially when this is negative sign. जब negative sign होता है उस समय तो बोलना नहीं है. Positive sign मतलब आप लोग नहीं भी लिखते हो, समझ में आ जाता है, that is positive sign. So these are will be the terms of this particular algebraic expression. Okay, so very easy. Just terms you have to check. Okay, constant and variables also you understood. Now we will see the various types of algebraic expressions. Okay, there are different types of algebraic expressions we can categorize into. So starting with the first one which we have is monomials. So first types of algebraic expressions is monomials. So what are the monomials algebraic expressions? So monomials algebraic expressions are the algebraic expressions which have only one terms. Okay, which have only one term. So one term means how, what? For example, 4x. So here it will be one terms. Okay, as like 4x. Okay, or minus 5xy or minus 3x square y, okay, or 4a square b. So if in only one term is here, these all are see, you can see only one terms are here. So this type of this type of expressions are called algebraic what called monomials algebraic expression. Monomials means एक जिसमें हो, ठीक है. So only one terms will be here. So after monomials we have binomials. Binomials are the algebraic expressions which have two terms. Okay. So in binomials we have two terms. Very easy. So in monomials one term, so binomials two terms. So binomials we have two terms. So how two terms? For example, 4 plus 3x. Okay. For example, 7a plus 9b. For example, 3a square b minus 4ab or xy. So this type of expressions, algebraic expressions, wherein two terms are here. यहाँ पे भी two terms है, here also two terms, here also two terms. You can take few more examples. For example, x square minus 4xy square. Here also two terms. So if two terms are there, so from the terms also you can understand that binomials. Bi means two. So जहाँ पे two terms होगा उसको binomials बोलेंगे. Monomials एक terms, binomials two terms. Okay. So these are the examples of binomials. Now next we have is after binomials we have trinomials. So trinomials how much? Definitely from the word itself you are able to understand that three terms. Okay. So in trinomials it will be three terms. Okay. So how three terms? For example, a plus 2b plus 7c. So यहाँ पे एक दो तीन. So total तीन terms है. That is why this is called trinomials. Okay. So monomials, binomials and trinomials. So you can take few more examples of trinomials like x plus 3y minus 72. Okay. So here also you can see three terms are here. So because of three terms it is called trinomials. Okay. So monomials, binomials, trinomials. What is next? Next we have is quadrinomials. So quadrinomials means quad means four. So four terms. Okay. So now next we have is quadrinomials. So quadrinomials. Quad means four. Okay. And this is for the algebraic expressions of quadrinomials. So this means four terms. It is a combination of four terms. So for example, you can take four terms as like suppose x plus y plus z minus 7. Okay, so here how many terms? Four terms. So that is why this is z and everything. Okay, suppose a square b plus b square c plus a square b plus b square c plus d plus or minus suppose 5. So here how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also called quadrinomials. Okay. Another examples you can take as like x square plus y cube plus z cube minus suppose minus 4xy z or plus 4xy z. So here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms are here. So that is why this is also quadrinomials. Okay. So monomials one terms. Okay. Binomials two terms. Then trinomials three terms and quadrinomials four terms. Okay. So these are all about the various kinds of algebraic expressions. Okay. Now finally, last one which we have is fifth one, that is polynomials. So, except the first one, means monomials, the rest of all are called polynomials. Why? Because polynomials means here two or more terms. When two or more terms are there in a particular algebraic expression, then we call that algebraic expression as polynomial. तो कोई भी algebraic expression में जब दो या दो से ज्यादा रहेगा तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? polynomials बोलेंगे. ठीक है? So if we are talking about quadrinomials, so quadrinomials will also comes under polynomials. Then if we are talking about trinomials, that is also comes under polynomials. Quadrinomials, that is also comes under polynomials. So you can take some examples. For example, 2x plus 3y. Here two terms are here, so this is polynomials. For example, a plus b square plus c cube plus abc. So here this is how many terms here? 4 terms. So this is also polynomials. Okay, and you can take 4x square plus 3y plus z. This is also polynomial. So wherever two or more terms are there, that is those type of all the algebraic expressions are called polynomials. Okay. Now factors of an algebraic expression. So if you take an algebraic expression, you will find two terms. Okay, one is constant, another is variable. So that constant and variables, those two terms are called factors also. Okay, but here the constant, which is constant, that is called numerical factors. Okay, and the variables one is called lateral fractions. Okay, I mean lateral factor. Okay. So one is lateral factor. For example, it is suppose 5x. So this is constant and this is variables. So this is we will call as constant numerical factors. Okay, this is what we call numerical factors, and this we will call as variables with lateral factor. Okay, this change and this doesn't change. This is fixed. So this is all about factors of a algebraic expressions. Now coefficient of an algebraic expression. So now let's understand about coefficient. Coefficient of an algebraic expression. So coefficient means what? Just opposite of that with the sign. Okay. For example, you can understand with the examples better. Suppose I am asking, write the coefficient of 5xy. Okay. So the coefficient of x will be 5y and coefficient of y will be 5x. Okay. So here coefficient of x is 5y and coefficient of y is 5x. Okay, we can take one more example. For example, minus 6ab. So here coefficient of a will be minus 6b. Okay, and coefficient of b will be minus 6a. Minus 6a. So this is how very easily you can find out the coefficient of a numericals or coefficients of an algebraic expression. So x का क्या हो जाएगा 5y, y का क्या हो जाएगा 5x. यहाँ पे भी सेम a का हो गया -6b, b का हो गया -6a. Okay, what about -x? Suppose I am asking write the coefficient of -x. Okay, so -x के साथ कुछ नहीं मतलब क्या है 1 है, तो x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या हो जाएगा? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x will be -1. Okay, so this is how you can find the coefficient of a number. Now one is constant terms. Okay, so what is constant terms? Suppose you are taking one example, x square plus 5x plus 3. So here with 3 there is no any variables. Okay, so this is called constant terms. Okay. Now addition of algebraic expressions. Suppose this is asking add this algebraic expression. How can you add this? Okay. So first let's write. We have to add 5x square minus 7x plus 3. Then minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5. And then 7x square minus x minus 2. So first what we will do in this case, first we will separate, or first we will add together the numbers like who are similar. Okay, and like here 5 is constant and x square. So this type of numbers, here 8x square and here 7x square. So first we will write together those all numbers. So here this will be 5x square. Here this is minus. So minus 8x square and then plus 7x square. Okay, then what we have? Next we have is this one done, and this one done. Okay, so next we are taking second term. So this is 7. So we will take minus 7x plus 2x plus 7. No, plus on minus x only, na? Minus 8. So this one done, and this one also done. And last plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. So now we will add or subtract these all, and these all. Okay. So let's check how much. So this is 7 plus and this is plus. So 7 plus 5 how much? 7 plus 5, 12, right? So 12 x square minus 8x square. Here minus 7 and minus 1. So minus 8x plus 2x. Here minus, okay, plus 3 and minus 5 plus 2, 7. Right? So how much will be this? 12 minus 8, 4, right? So 4x square minus 8 minus 2, because plus 8 is here, sorry, minus 8 is here and plus 2. So we will subtract it. So it will be minus 6x. This will be minus because minus sign is greater. So 3 minus 7 is 5. No, 4. So 4. So the final expression is coming 4x square minus 6x minus 4. Okay. In the same way, we can do the subtractions also. Just in place of addition, we will use subtraction sign, and the rest of all thing is same. So now I hope you can solve exercise 6a by yourself in homework. If you have any doubts in any particular question, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care. Bye bye.